1995 Metro, made by Rover. Now again the rare beast. We have one here, 32,000 miles from new, in for a bit of a restoration and touch up. As you can tell, it's quite clean for its age. Good tyres, no common rusty arches on these as usual. Bit of stone chip reindeer it needs doing. Rover's got some kind of black tape on it, needs sorting out. It's going to need some kind of wheel arch repair reindeer, as we can tell. Like someone's put a stone in there, some filling it past. But it's not too bad, to be honest, for its age. It's had the plastic sill covers, which are a bonus on these things, could normally do rot. Nice and clean at the back. And the inside is immaculate for its age, as you can tell. Even comes with sunroof as well. But it's done a genuine 32,000 mile on a 28-year-old car. Not bad at all. But what's it like underneath? Just look at that. It's actually not too bad. Exhaust still got the original tape on it when it was brand new all them years ago. Floor pans leak okay. It's pretty much a solid Metro, to be honest. It's been undersealed it past, which is a good thing. Otherwise it would have disintegrated by now. So we're going to start now the rear arch quarter on the Rover Metro. As you can tell, I've rust treated it. So all this now has been converted back to a solid base metal. So the rust has basically been killed off. So we need to get rid of any old filler, what's left on the car, and get cracking. So basically, it's all about the preparation work. So that solid metal filler. What you need to know is wire brush it. Give it a good wire brush. Any loose rust what's left, anything what's not needed will be taken off before we start putting the filler in. Gentle rubs along the metal, and once you're happy with the result, we can get cracking. So we need now to start rubbing it round here with a sanding block, round here, and around here. What we're doing, these rough areas here, we're blending it back into the paintwork. So the car has been filled in the past and resprayed. So I'll give it a smooth finish later on down the line. So that feels now nice and smooth, it's blending back into the paintwork. A couple more rubs and that should be alright. Just use your finger, rub along. It should feel nice and smooth all the way to the top. Look a bit rough around here, look a bit more around here needed. Tiny bit more around here. So what we're going to do now, we're starting to major all round here and start working our way back bit by bit, filling the holes and sculpting it back into a perfect shape again. So I've got some filler in my hand here. Let's get cracking. As you can tell, I'm just smoothing it out with my hand, pressing it in. Just keep rubbing it in and sculpt it in with your fingers. It don't need to be smooth because you're going to sand it down later on, and it will involve a lot of sanding to get it right. But all I'm doing now is getting rid of that all, so when this dries it gives me a solid surface to work with. It's all patience and just taking your time. Do not rush it or you will make a bodge up job look like a disaster. I always recommend with filler, you want it where it's not sloppy but in between wet and dry. So you've got to get the timing right, which is basically experience. As you can tell, the hole is now vanishing. Stick some round here. So go down the archway here. Need some round here as well. Just to fill in them gaps. Spread it up with your fingers. So once it's dried, that'll give you a solid area to start sanding down and sculpt the area back into shape how it should be. So after a lot of sanding and rubbing down, a tiny bit more for to do around here, this part is sanding down. This arch has been fully rebuilt from here to here and is now ready for priming and painting. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe. So go paint round here, get this all sorted next. Fill this part in round here, sand it down, get that sorted, and we're going to carry on working under here, around this area. So after 1 week now into repairing this clap type metro, making it into a prime beast again. We're 1 week now into repairing the rear rail arch, which was totally gone. And as you can tell now, the arch is back. It's had its first coat of paint. Went any wet sanding and blending in. But overall it's not a bad result, to be honest. To say it had no arch left whatsoever. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe. So what we're going to be doing next on the car is sorting out these stone chip marks, or key marks maybe. This around here, replace that. a general tidy up round here. These are cracked seals around here. Repair them best I can. And once again, another arch foot repair. Not as bad as the one round the corner, but still got a bit of work to do on it. So in the previous video I showed you the engine bay, which was a bit dirty, a bit manky. It weren't looking like its former glory. So after a good steam clean, you can now tell that the engine is pretty much looking brand spanking new again. All the components are nice and shiny, all cleaned up. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe. Rover Metro, passenger side, rear arch repair. As you can tell, I spent most of the weekend doing this. And it's as good as new again. Needs a bit more wet sanding on it for blended in, but basically, it's done. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe. So all around this Metro, the old-fashioned rubber seals are all cracked due to age. So what I'm going to do now is get some rubber filler and place it in the cracks. As so. And what you need to do then, get some rubber paint. And paint it on. Anything like this here, just wipe it off when you've done. As you can tell now, all this cracked area around here. Perhaps this top pet I'm not done yet. All this is smoothing there back in to form a perfect seal. So I've now completed from around here to there. As you can tell, all the cracks now have disappeared. Almost looking like brand new. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe. So all the window seals around the car, I've got cracks in them, just due to age and drying out basically. So what I'm going to use now is some black silicone sealant. As you can tell, these were all cracked yesterday and now looking pretty much bang on again. And all you do, put a little bit on and rub it in. And it should mask the crack, as you can tell. So compared to that,